So firstly, I have to apologise for the camera angle. I've had to zoom in quite a lot because you could see most of my bonnet instead of the actual road. But in this first clip, we're looking at this white van which has just overtaken us, and you see the nice big gap which they could have gone into to take the correct lane. In the end, they don't want that. They want to go as far as possible and exit as late as possible, cutting people up.
Fucking hell, man.
While that was going on in front, this van here seems to want to be attached to my car. Look how close they are. And they also try to make a third lane to go straight on from the wrong lane. And you can see there, straight on, complete wrong lane for that. This clip we're looking at a car who decides to change from lane 3 to lane 1 in all of this traffic here. Really bad timing.
What did you do? Jesus Christ.
We're just going down the A130 and this is sped up about 3 or 4 times speed. We're watching this car in lane 3.
Hey!
Finally moves over, as you can hear. I'm cheering about that, but you can see I'm catching him. I'm catching him, I'm catching him. So then I go to overtake, and you can guess what happens when I pull alongside him.
What? Yeah. Really? Oh my... Why? 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 Fucking stupid. You see that? Pull alongside, just get ahead and then just fucking gun it. And now slowing down again now.
Not much with this one, just a car wandering over into my lane. I mean, how much space do you need? And talking about space, you think a Mini wouldn't need as much space, but look, they can't even stay within the lines either. I know it's a narrow road, but you have a small car. You should be able to keep in your lane. Now, I have no idea what is in the Nissan's mind here. So there's me and the Discovery, both indicating right. Why does the Nissan go on the wrong side of the road to turn right?
Fucking numpty! What was that?
Turn right onto Bird Lane.
Okay, so let's play a game. How many of these 3? Thank me. That's 1. Nope, not them. What about this van? Would they give me a little sign to say thank you? No, because they're only driving with one hand. Now this person in front passes a car area or parking space there, but no, they decide to just randomly pull up. Again, they pass the spot on the right, which they could even go into, but they create their own little space there.
In 1,000 feet.
songs I think that we have on Radio X, and the whole song was amazing, but the first 15 seconds is by far the best part, so here we go. John Fox, Radio X.
Okay. Of course it's Audi. Couldn't have done that when it's split into 2 lanes, could you? Fucking idiot.
We're looking here for a BMW who decides that they do not need to take the roundabout properly. They can go right from the left-hand lane, which blocks the other car turning left there.
Oh my god!
He was trying to get an accident, wasn't he? That was blatant. It was so clear.
Octopus Energy, recommended by which 6 years running.
Thinking of Disney Plus? Think again. Stream everything from superhero royalty like Black Panther.
Stupid to try and let the person across there.
I know this isn't a huge problem, but this Land Rover just slows down massively to let this car in. When if they had just carried on, the car could have joined without any issues whatsoever. But you can tell what kind of driver this Land Rover is from the next few clips coming up as well. I mean, here they get in the wrong lane. I have to back off and let them across.
When you did a film or a TV show, do you know on day one what was going to happen? Would you ever feed in the game? Because it's not exact science, you know.
And again, in the wrong lane because they didn't move over. But they didn't even have to, because they could have taken that second lane and joined in the second lane of a slip road if they had to in that case. So I don't know why they didn't. Keep an eye on this rapidly approaching flatbed truck in the rearview mirror. They're driving like an absolute nutter.
Now they're in a bit of a rush, aren't they? Is that gap not good enough? Oh my actual god. What are they doing? What are they doing? Madness. Utter madness. Look, I was basically catching up with them. All of that for no reason whatsoever. I'm surprised they're keeping behind this car. It's a drive, people.
I don't know what I was doing there.
Get in this lane.
Honestly trying to sing. So we are looking at lane hoggers, mainly the white professional driver, which we're just approaching.
And of course, it's a professional driver.
I mean, they're clearly not catching this car on the right, in lane 1, which I'm just overtaking now. So there's absolutely no reason for them to not be in lane 1. So this bit isn't 50 miles an hour anymore, but it is obviously at the time of this recording, and you can see why is it that the 50 mile an hour limit seems to only apply to me. No one else seems to care about this 50 mile an hour limit which is on the road. It seems as though speed limits are optional, which is something I didn't know about. Let me know in the comments.
Crazy people who cannot go 50 miles an hour. Who end up getting stuck behind cars going 50 miles an hour anyway.